Hello guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can connect Teamviewer in mobile. But before that, if you don't know Teamviewer, it is a popular remote access and remote control software that allows users to connect to and control another computer or device over the internet. So to connect Teamviewer in mobile, we firstly need to download Teamviewer on our device such as in laptop or desktop by going to this teamviewer.com and by simply clicking this download desktop button right here. Upon clicking on it, it will automatically download the files. And after downloading, the next thing that you need to do is to simply install the application of TeamViewer. And after that, if you open TeamViewer on your desktop, this is what will show you. And below here, it will show you the ID and the password to connect our desktop to our mobile device. And in order to do that, all you need to do is to go to your mobile phone and just install the application of TeamViewer. And after installing it, just open the application, and the next thing that you need to do is to simply click the Get Started button below here. And in order to connect TeamViewer in mobile, make sure that you also sign in your email address and also your password. And now from here, the next thing that we need to do is to simply enter the ID of the TeamViewer in our desktop. And after that, just proceed by clicking the remote control button below, in which upon doing so, the next thing that you need to do is to simply enter the password of our desktop TeamViewer. So from here, all you need to do is to simply enter the password and just proceed by clicking the OK button below. And after that, all you need to do is to wait for it to load, and it will show you this kind of dashboard. And from here, it will show you the screen of your desktop, which means that you are now connected to TeamViewer in our desktop using our mobile phone. So that is just basically how to connect TeamViewer in mobile. So if you think this video is helpful, kindly like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.